Friends, today we will discuss about importance of horticulture in nutritional security. As we know that malnutrition is a worldwide problem of both developed and developing countries, and it mainly due to excessive increasing population, less food grain productivity, low income, and several other social, cultural, and economical factors also. It predisposes to illness, disease infection, and immunity reduction very drastically. A malnutrition problem become more dangerous in developing Asian and African countries. In our country, mainly women and children are affected from several diseases of malnutrition, and one-third children are born less body weight, and near about 60% children affected from anemia. Malnutrition problems are seen mainly in poor families and lower income families. The food security means to the nourishment of particular from both macro and micronutrients which are essential to the healthy human body. Nutritional security means consumption and physiological use of appropriate amount of safe and nutritious food to each and every people to make them an active, stronger, healthier and productive. The nutritional level of adults is typically measured by using body mass index, which is calculated as weight over height. When the adult's BMI are less than 18.5 kg per meter square, then it is deliberated to suffer from chronic energy deficiency, while more than 25 kg per meter square shows overweight. Average BMI is almost same in both male and female adults. Approximately 50% of Indian population BMI is less than 18.5 kg per meter square, while only 2.6% men and 4.1% women are found overweight. Fruits and vegetables are called protective food because of the rich source of essential micronutrients, and these nutrients helps in improvement of immunity, metabolic process, physically and mentally stronger with retaining fitness and continue living of human organs. Carbohydrate, protein, fat and fiber are macronutrients considered as energy sources. Vitamin and minerals are micronutrients play important role in bodybuilding. According to Indian Council of Medical Research, our daily requirement of fruits is 120 gram and vegetables 280 grams, in which 100 gram leafy, 100 gram fruits and 100 gram root vegetables. Now we will discuss about important constituent for nutritional security, in which first is carbohydrate. The carbohydrates are converting simplest sugar in human body and provide power and energy in calories for proper functioning of healthier body. Daily requirement of carbohydrate is 400 to 500 gram per capita. Fruits like banana, avocado, date palm, sapota, mango, guava, jackfruit, etc. and vegetables such as potato, sugar beet, radish, pea, etc. are excellent sources of carbohydrate. Second is proteins. Protein is an important nutritional element for human body, and its primary function is to provide amino acids for bodybuilding. It also helps in maintenance of damaged cells and tissues and many other activities of body. Protein can be obtained through fruits such as cashew, almond, walnut, and vegetables such as peas, cowpea, Indian bean, amaranthus, etc. are the wealthy sources of protein. Third one is total fat. Fats are the concentrated sources of energy, obtaining essential fatty acids which works like as vitamins in the body. In daily diet, fats is an important component for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins similar to vitamin A, because essential fatty acids are too vital for cell structure and functions. The vegetable oils are source of essential polyunsaturated fatty acids which helps in regulating blood cholesterol. An adult human diet, fatty material should be less than 80 gram per day. Generally, fruits and vegetables are not rich source of fats, but some fruit have wealthy source of fat like walnut 64.50%, almond 58.9%, cashew nut 46.9%, and avocado 22.8%. Last one is fibers. Fiber is consists of components of plant material that are resistant to human digestive system. The digestive fibers are necessary part of our diet for elimination of organic waste. Mostly food related problems such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart related diseases can be reduced through food fibers, but if lacking of sufficient amount of dietary fiber in daily diet, then it leads to colon cancer. An adult should incorporate at least 40 gram of dietary food in daily food habit for better digestion. Micronutrients, in which first is vitamin. The vitamins play an integral task in the controlling of metabolic activities in the human body. The requirement of vitamins to the human body is very tiny quantity. Vitamins are classified in two categories. First is water soluble. In this, vitamin B complex and vitamin C comes, and second is fat soluble, vitamin A, D, E and K. The surplus use of vitamin A and D may be poisonous. Fruits and vegetables are key supply of provitamin A, vitamin B, C, E and folic acid. The provitamin A can be freely transformed into vitamin A in human body. Approximately 60% vitamin A and 90% of vitamin C need in human diet is received by fruit and vegetables. Vitamin A. The daily requirement of vitamin A is 1.2 milligram per day. The deficiency symptom of vitamin A is night blindness. Vegetables are rich in vitamin A than fruits. Carrot, muskmelon, winter squash and leafy vegetables are good source of vitamin A. Vitamin B1, thiamine. The daily requirement is 1.2 milligram per day. Deficiency symptoms are beriberi, muscular weakness, loss of weight, nutritious, loss of appetite and dilation of heart. Vitamin B2, known as riboflavin. Daily requirement is 1.7 milligram per day. The deficiency symptoms are dry scaly skin, cracks in corner of mouth, cracking of lips, etc. Vitamin B3. The daily requirement of vitamin B3 is 19 milligram per day. The deficiency symptoms are pellagra, nervous breakdown, stomach and intestinal disorder. Vitamin B6. The daily requirement of vitamin B6 is 1.3 milligram per day. The deficiency symptoms are lack of energy, decrease in brain function, high levels of homocysteine. Excellent sources of vitamin B6 include summer squash, bell pepper, turnip greens, mushrooms and spinach. Vitamin B12. The daily requirement is 2.4 microgram per day. Deficiency symptoms are pernicious anemia, autoimmune disorders. Vitamin B12 is provided by animal foods. It is not found in vegetable and fruits. Vitamin C as ascorbic acid. The daily requirement of vitamin C is 70 mg per day. The deficiency symptoms is scurvy. Approximately 90% vitamin C is obtained from fruits and vegetable. Canola is the rich source of vitamin C. Vitamin D, cholecalciferol. The deficiency symptoms rickets, pigeon chest in children, osteomalacia in adults. Vitamin D is synthesized by the body through sunlight. vitamin E, tocopherol. Daily requirement is 5.0 milligram per day. Anti-sterility vitamin deficiency symptoms are degeneration of kidney, necrosis of liver. Sweet corn is the rich source of vitamin K in the form of phytoquinone. Anti-hemorrhagic vitamin daily requirement is 0.015 milligram per day. The deficiency system contains delayed and faulty coagulation of blood. Now minerals. Minerals are an essential compound of nutrition because human body is also containing a big amount of mineral nutrients. These mineral nutrients are phosphorus, iron, calcium, potassium and sodium etc. Among them, iron is a main constituent of food. Potassium and sodium are absorbed by the body for safeguarding of water and electrolyte balance. Calcium. The daily requirement of calcium is 500 to 600 mg per day. Fruits and vegetable sources are lychee, karonda, curry leaf, etc. Iodine. The daily requirement of iodine is 500 to 600 mg per day. Deficiency of iodine leads to goiter. Onion, garlic, beet are good source of iodine. Iron. Daily requirement is 20 mg per day. The iron deficiency causes anemia and it characterized by lower hemoglobin level in the blood. Date, amaranthus, leaves, dry karonda are good source of iron. Phosphorus. The daily requirement of phosphorus is 20 mg per day. Almond, cashew, walnut, amaranthus leaves and garlic are good source of phosphorus. Potassium. The source of potassium are spinach and amaranthus leaves, which consists 605 mg per 100 gram and 230 mg per 100 gram respectively are good source of potassium. Sodium. The daily requirement is 4000 to 6000 mg per day. Green onion, Chinese cabbage, etc. are good source of sodium. And last one is folic acid. Daily requirement of is 0.1 mg per day. Deficiency symptom contains anemia, nervous breakdown and impaired growth. It is important for women. Green leafy vegetables are good source of folic acid. Thanks. Stay at home and be safe.